So I'm working on this project to add in this eyebrow roof. I had vertical steel panels like the sidewall here. Now I gotta re-put up this piece, cut it around the roof, and get it back up. Now, since it's an end wall piece, the piece gets greater in height as it goes, gets taller, unlike this sidewall. So because of that, where I need to add my J-trims right here around this cedar detail, I can't go ahead and install my J-trim ahead of time. I have to install it after or do it as I go. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this tricky piece of steel. Got this piece marked out. Now I'm ready to cut it. Use a pair of aviation snips. I got my piece cut, my vertical piece. This is the notch. So this is where I have to do my J-trim on the bottom here, side, and right here. Not the top that gets a end wall flash. So I went ahead and just pre-cut all my J-trims to this profile. The top right here is going to get a flashing for the roof. So I needed to bring my J along this. So I went ahead and pre-cut it. Now I'm going to just kind of, instead of installing them on the wall, I'm going to put them on this piece kind of loosely. And now what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and install the steel panel with the J-trims on top of it. Now we can shove it in and then nip it off afterwards. Here.
Is that good?
Here, shove it up tight for a minute. I think it's going to be good. So we're up on the roof now. This is this piece. So this is the J channel we brought up in here. Now what I need to do is make a slit right above that J channel. And I need to bring it a little bit past this J. The reason being is this wall flashing is going to slide through the back of this. And what I want to do is get a slit right here that gets it beyond the J. That way when snow or water comes down here and melts and is running down, it runs over this cut that's down in here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, I went ahead and made this cut for this flashing. Now, it's unfortunate I was on a rib. If it was on a flat, I could have made it a really nice and tight slit. Because it's on a rib, I had to get an angle here and make it a little wide. But what I did, to show you what I'm going to do, is made a little slit here, a V. And when the flashing goes in, it's going to go like this. Because there's already, this J comes up in here. So this is going to overlay it. So this is going to slide in like this, like that. And it actually looks pretty good. I can go ahead and clean up this little corner that doesn't look so good right here. And when I install my big piece, I'm going to go ahead and take some sealant in here. It's like clear roof pitch or silicone, something that'll seal. Shove it in this gap here. And when this goes in, it won't allow any water to run up here and underneath here. And whatever does drip, it's beyond this cut now. So it'll go down and run all the way down there and out.